Jai Hind, sir. May I start, sir? Thank you, sir. I, Junior Under Officer Samriddhi Guha, welcome you to our Puneet Sagar display of West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate. If by 2050 plastic menace is not removed, then there would be more plastic in the sea than there are fishes. Puneet Sagar Abhiyan hence was launched as an initiative with the vision by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on 1st December 2021 to clean the coastal areas. Over 30,000 cadets from all the coastal units took active participation in this Puneet Sagar Abhiyan. Hence, in our West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate too, cadets of various different coastal areas and also cadets who cleaned the lakes and rivers, because ultimately that mixes into the seas and oceans as well, cleaned those areas, and from the plastic which we collected, we made items in a threefold approach. Initially, we have recycled items which we made with the help of the local municipalities, and then we have some items of utility which can be used in our kitchens, in our toilets, and also in our bedrooms and study rooms. And finally, moving on, we have some decorative items for every nook and corner of our house. Initially, I would like to start off with our recycled items. Very initially, what you can see over here is a plastic sheet. These plastic sheets are made from plastic bits and wasted, which is collected and then given to our local municipalities. These were taken to the recycling plants and they were cut down into further thin strands. These strands were then strewn together using caustic soda and were processed for about a day. After they were processed, they were made into a long plastic sheets, which is very much good for our environment because it is biodegradable. These sheets can be used as furniture covers, also as chair covers, and also as table covers. Moving on, we have our eco bricks. These eco bricks are almost of 500 grams weight, and these are made from 4 to 5 kgs of plastic. Plastic waste was taken and it was heated so that it could get into a liquid form. This liquid form of the plastic was then put into this mold, which is made from by cadets of 14 Equal Battalion, and it is absolutely free of cost. This liquefied plastic when was settled down for half an hour to form these eco bricks. This can be used for flower beds or as also railings for our pavements and also for footpaths. Moving on, there is a concept of West Bengal which is very widely used, which is railings, eco walls, which are used as railings. These railings, basically, this is a very miniature form of this. Basically, these paper rolls, sir, which you can see over here, these are plastic bottles with plastic waste. So, when we over the plastic waste, these plastic wastes increase the tensile strength of the bottles, which can be then used as barricades and also as decorative seating areas. This is done in the rural areas of Bengal from where I hail, sir. Moving on to utility items. Now, utility items are those items which are available for usage at every rooms of our house wherever we go. Initially, I would like to start off with these pen stands, which can be used for our study rooms and also for our living rooms. The first one over here has been made from ice cream sticks, and the second one is a shampoo bottle, sir. Next, moving on, this is also a pen stand which has been made by plastic bottle and jute ropes which have been out of use for certain times. Next, for our vanity and also for our washrooms, we have this jewelry box which is made of a paper container by rolling down old used printed papers. Moving on, we have items of utility over here as well for beautifying our room as well. So this is both a decorative item and an item of utility, sir. These are our flower vases. All of them have been made from used plastic bottles and also glass bottles. However, this one has been made of bamboo shoots, and as you can see, these are broomsticks. Moving on, this is a bottle art. This bottle art can be used as a pencil box for little kids, and this can be also used as a decorative item for every nook and corner of our house. This is also used not only as a pencil box but also for carrying our vanity items safely and in a very decorated manner. We also have these diyas which were made of bottle caps, and this wax, sir, this is not fresh wax, this is the wax that gets left out after we burn out a candle. So this is an item of immediate utility. However, these other items will last us for 3 to 10 years respectively, sir, and these are very cheap because they are in the range of 60 to 100 rupees, sir. Moving on to our posters which are made of Mahagauri art. These are basically made from the caps of container which we use for bringing food from Zomato, as everyone knows that in today's life. So these can be used as posters, and these can also be used as decorative items for keeping our various things safe and in a decorated manner. Next, for every nook and corner of our house and for beautifying our houses, offices, schools and everywhere possible. We have this wide array of decorative items. First, we have this wall hanging which is made from this eggshell case and also from glass which has been already broken. So we have not used anything and we have not bought anything, sir. This is all items which we have found from junkyards and scrapyards. This is a couple mask which has been made from used plastic bottles and also newspaper that has been disposed of. Moving on, this is again a very beautiful wall hanging that has been made from plastic bottles, sir. The plastic bottles have been colored and in the center is a very beautiful centerpiece, sir. This centerpiece has been made from old paper and by wrapping that paper you can use the paper mache. Next we have Lippen art. Lippen art is a very popular art form which is used by making the mud and clay. So this is a very similar thing. We have used clay and mud for making this Lippen art and we have decorated and beautified it with our old plastic for the frame and we have also used old mirrors which were broken and put in the scrapyard for decorating this Lippen art. Moving on, we have again another example of a wall hanging which is made from eggshells and finally moving on to bottle art. Bottle art, these are medicine bottles, sir, which has been used for creating this bottle art and we have decorated it with paints, watercolors, acrylic paints and one of the very famous things which is famous in Bengal is this clay art. Clay art is a very used form of Bengal. So we have taken these old plates which have certain cracks on them. So they are deemed unfit for use, sir. So we have strengthened them with clay and we have basically put some jute. Like, sir, this one is a jute and mirror art and this one is a pure clay art. We have molded some clay and then we have finished it off with some acrylic colors. And these are all pieces which can be used for decoration. And this one finally is a motorcycle, sir. As you can see, it is made from cardboard and paper rolls and finally finished off with cylinders. So this was all about our Puneet Sagar Abhiyan e-waste recycling channel, sir. Jai Hind, sir.